Today we're going to start creating your AI model or doll. And to start, we are going polo.ai website. Once you do, you will see that the first thing that pops up is the different AI generator list of options where you can select a quality per se and start creating. However, some of these options do take longer and they do require paying more credits. As you see, this one from Google is expensive, but Flux is only 4 credits per image. Thus, I am selecting Flux. So, now, right here are some good image templates. All of them were created artificially by the system. So, you definitely need to seek into something that is very realistic or represents your idealistic doll. For instance, you may seek to create a fantasy or cartoon character. But I am looking into realism. This template looks pretty. However, it is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for some sunlight with more character per se of this ideal I have in my mind. This one is too sunny, and the first one is too opaque to my personal idea of how I want my doll to be. That other one looks very cartoonish, and the other doll with the ponytails is pretty, but nope. This other one is a very, very pretty lady in a red dress. It is very sensual, but it's not what we're looking for. We are trying to train the AI into what you actually want. So for instance, this is, it's a 3D character. This one right here, the spring girl, has a very, very nice contrast, but it is very cartoonish. Okay, this other is more real and more into the realistic character I want. There's also this European option. See? Now this template image calls for younger looks and clicking to add it. Okay, good. Then we can select other set of realistic girls just to tell the artificial intelligence what is basically what we really want it to create for us. This way the AI knows what I'm into. I can see right here, these two girls. I think I'm gonna go with them and I will select them. And now we're turned into ChatGPT to create a prompt. We ask ChatGPT to give a prompt for a Latina girl in an elegant setting, which I already did, and now I am just pasting it here. I'm not reading it and not creating any changes. I want to test first what ChatGPT gave me. Once I have an output, I may do changes. So here, always check the quantity is 1 so you don't spend all the credits. Now, log in. You may use your Google account. And once you do, you will be able to click Create. So now, we click Create. While you're waiting for the AI image generator, you can check out some of the website's tools. I just noticed my prompt has the words camera and bright. I'll fix it soon. Oh, okay. Yeah, there it is. Our image is ready. Here we see the image does follow the prompt's message. It is very elegant. But all of those paparazzi look boring. Here we see the red high heels look lit and the toes are perfection. The hands look good. However, the whole setting of the image is overwhelming and exaggerated. So now what we're going to do is to create a new image with an updated prompt. So for that, we're going to deepimage.ai, for which I've already opened up the website. For this one, you don't need to log in, and here I already pasted my prompt. Again, you'll see the AI quality options. Deep Image shows this nice sample, which reveals that a simple prompt can definitely generate a nice high quality image. And also you have the different lauras on this other side, or styles. And then I am just going to actually edit the entire paragraph that ChatGPT gave me. Good! It reads good, thus we click here to create. And we are going to be waiting for that image to be produced. Meanwhile, let me take a look into the first image. Definitely chaos and disaster. I'm just going to copy and paste the updated prompt and place it here into the section so we can generate a new, better image. The prompt gave a good lead or structure, so we're keeping the little details that makes it look good, and thus removing what we do not want. I'm thinking the red high heels and the details on the dress help setting up the vibe, along a nice hairstyle. So we'll be keeping those highlights into the new prompt. We can also try logging into another website, and this other website is just to try that new prompt. And this one, that is called Ai.Tubo.ai. It basically generates a lot of pretty images. But I am super curious, so let's go back to deep image. Oh well, this doll looks very real and looks very natural. It doesn't show the shoes, but it's got perfect fingers, legs, it's got the definitions that we are requesting on that prompt. Notice the soft smile, and the hair is towards the shoulder, and you can be inspired by the blue and orange skies. Makes sense. She looks normal. The background is awesome. And well, this is what we have accomplished in deep image. Now I'm super pumped, and we're going to go to this other website, Ai.Tubo.ai, to paste our new prompt. Let's see. Let's select the Laura's, and I think that one is a premium one, but we can give it a try, and then definitely checking out what else they offer, but it seems like their options are not too many. So we're going to keep the options already set up for us as default. Let's see. These girls, that one is too dark. The other one has so many flowers. We're sticking with the two girls wearing fun costumes for our core model or Play-Doh.
The next step is to double check that only one image is pre-selected just to save some credits. So we're going to select one, and then we're going to go ahead and click on create. This website actually needs you to log in to access the free service. Once you do log in, you click create. Whoops, the Laura is premium, so we need to remove that. So we remove that one off. Okay, finally, we can click create. Ai.Tubo.ai offers upgrade options, but I will suggest you only spend money on the site that suits your needs and makes you comfortable. Alrighty. Let's move on to Pika and to paste our brand new prompt. And we are now working on 3 different images on 3 different AI generator sites. Back to Ai.Tubo.ai, and ta-da! Look at that! This doll looks very, very nice. It looks perfect. Blue skies, orange skies, and the shoes are very nice. The fingers look neat. The background looks credible. The doll looks normal. I think we have done a pretty good job on this option. And the toes are real details. I will say you must keep looking into details because we want to make sure that your picture looks credible and real. So per se, your goal is to create a doll model that looks very real, no questions asked. So I see right here our sunset seems like a little bit fake, but that is okay. The AI did its job. The red high heels and the dress are elegant. It is a good image, and we can definitely download it just to save it. And maybe we want to try, we can try another website, as both deep images and Ai.Tubo's images look stunning. This is the last page that we are working on, and this is Dramina. I like this one because I think it is the best so far. We're gonna repeat the same cycle. We're gonna paste our prompt, select our model and Laura, and wait for the image to be produced. We're signing in to generate the free images. I'm typing 1986. We're gonna say OK. Oh, this is sweet. We just received 120 credits. This means a business is lit. Perfect.
The high quality of those videos is very impressive. Look at that tempting cupcake and the baker. She is really pretty with her soft smile and pink hair. Okay kids, let's do this. Here is our Dreamina dashboard. We're pasting our prompt and checking out all the little details prior to clicking create.
I see over here that they have different templates. Again, double check. These are the different options. Oh, okay. Is this a dream? We are actually generating 4 images for 2 credits. If that is so, it is a really, really nice. Oh, look at that. Was that the speed of light? that this is the quickest AI to generate our image. Definitely in love with this Dreamina.ai.
Each generated picture is awesome. Yep, everything in the background makes sense. The overall looks of our dolls make me happy. Those fingers don't make sense, but everything else on the other images definitely look good. We're catching a major error with this dress. Sometimes I think the system believes more is better, when actually, sometimes less is better. Seriously. You may use Photoshop to fix few little errors on the images, but I would recommend you just try to regenerate the images. You can definitely upload these pictures into Google Cloud or iCloud, or upload directly to Instagram. So here they are, the tools of the future. These websites could be your best friends: Pika, Ai.Doll.Hustle, Deep Image, and Dreamina. Eventually, as you become more aware of using these tools, you will decide where to spend your money for credits or a monthly or year subscription. I believe in you, and the nicest thing about this is the easiness of user interaction with these platforms, no coding or experience needed. Dreamina offers other options additionally to creating images. As you can see from this menu option, you may create music, videos, and beyond. Well, this is it. This is all what's about for this module. See you in the next one. You got this.